Have you ever wondered how gears change the way power works? Let's break down the mechanics behind the gear ratio simply. At its core, a gear ratio is just a simple math relationship between the number of teeth on two connected gears. If two gears are the same size, we call that a 1-to-1 ratio. For every full turn the input makes, the output makes one too. Changing these sizes forces a trade-off. A smaller gear spinning a larger one creates more force, while a larger gear creates more speed. Ever wonder why some gears make a car climb steep hills while others help it fly down the highway? It all comes down to torque versus speed. This chart shows how output speed changes based on gear size. Smaller output gears multiply speed, while larger ones multiply power. Remember, you cannot gain both speed and power at the same time. You are always choosing where to apply the mechanical advantage. Understanding these basic mechanics helps you grasp how systems function. Subscribe for more basics and save this for later.